The creator rewards program is an absolute goldmine right now, with creators making a living straight off of their phone. However, the one thing that stops most people from going viral and actually making money with this is choosing a bad niche. Let's be honest, some content is just straight garbage. It won't even save you from 200 view jail. But luckily for you, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I got a brand new page monetized in just a week of posting. The best part about this niche is that you don't even have to show your face and you're doing it all with AI. But before I go into how I actually did this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and actually like this video, because I'm going to be going so much more in depth on other niches on this account. Alright, so first off, if you're new here, my name's Nick and I've been running up Face's TikTok accounts for the last few years. And basically, if you don't know already, what you need to get into the creator rewards program is 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. And you technically need to be 18, but you can just use somebody else's ID to verify it. Alright, so you've probably seen a ton of accounts like this on your For You page. And basically what this is you're just using a character that's gone viral before and just like been seen around on the internet. And you're making them give somebody a quiz. It's a very simple concept, so you don't really have to overcomplicate it, but let's watch one of their videos to see what I'm talking about.
Name a country that starts with the letter S. If you said Sweden, then you're already out on question 1. Don't say the same as me, or you lose. Okay, question number 2. What's the first thing you think of when I say New York? My answer is Times Square. If you said anything other than Times Square, then get ready for the next question. Question number 3. Press and hold the comment button and select one of the 4 emojis. If the emoji you pressed was this, then too bad, my friend. You are out. Question number 4. What room are you in right now? You're in your kitchen, then better luck next time, right? Question number 5. What is the second app that appears when you click share and then more? If the answer is messages, then I'm sorry you've lost. Let's make this one impossible. Question number 6. What does my profile picture do when you follow me? If you said it animates, then you're out.
Alright, so I'm going to put the page that I ran up on the screen real quick. All the videos are privated on the account right now because I ran it up for TikTok Shop, which you only need 5K followers for. But I mean, you can see I didn't even post that many videos and they just started blowing up immediately. It's mainly because these videos drive a ton of engagement, and I'm going to get into more of that throughout the video. So when we actually take a look at this video and how it's edited, we only need a few things. First, we need the background gameplay, which you can just get off of YouTube. Then we need the text questions on the screen, which we can just edit on CapCut. And then we need to figure out how to get a character for our video and clone their voice. Now, the character that I'm going to be using as an example is going to be the one that I already did for my old account, which is SpongeBob. But here's exactly how you can choose anybody and clone anybody's voice that you want. First, the main thing we're going to need is a talking clip of the person that you want. So in my case, I'm going to search up videos of SpongeBob talking. And once I find a good 30 to 40 second clip of the person that you want, you just want to screen record or download it. Now, the second tool you need to clone this voice is 11labs.com. Yes, you do need the $22 a month subscription, but I'm pretty sure the first month is 50% off. And like I said earlier in this video, it can take you less than like a few weeks to just monetize an account like this. And then now what you want to do when you're in 11 Labs is you want to head over to the instant voice cloning section, and you want to throw that voice clip in there along with your name for the character. I always like to hit remove background audio because that always makes the voice sound more clear and authentic. And then boom, just hit generate and it'll make the entire voice for you.
So did you see the lady that actually proved the Mandela effect as a government experiment?
If you guys want the link to 11 Labs to get started with that tool, I can link it down in the description for you. But now that I have my voice generated, I'm going to get the script for that voice. And like I mentioned in other videos, the best way to get your viral scripts is to just take what's already worked on another account. Now just take your script and choose the 11 Labs voice for your character and hit generate, and it'll make the entire script for you for your video. Now, if you really look closely at the script, a few sentences in the script is really what's going to drive your engagement and overall boost your video to get viral. So the first sentence that's really going to boost the engagement is this sentence that says, hold the comment button down and select one of the 4 emojis. Because if you actually didn't know, when you hold the comment button on TikTok, like 4 emojis pop up. And when you press on one of those emojis, it comments like 3 of them on your video. And when you get tons of people to comment on your video, it just boosts the engagement a ton. Now, the one that really drives the engagement up is the one that asks you to press share and then more. You probably already seen this on your For You page a ton. These people all do it for the same reason. Every time somebody hits share and then more on your video, it automatically gives it like a few shares. I honestly don't know the back end reason behind this, but that's just how it works. And if we're being honest here, the views speak for themselves. Now this last step is actually crucial because I have a ton of people DMing me telling me that they can't get enough followers from their videos. And this last step is literally what has gotten me over 20,000 followers from a single video. And it's simply just adding another engagement sentence to get the user to follow you. So what I've added at the end of my script every single time is follow me to see if my profile picture animates. Yes, I know these people are clueless for following me and thinking it would work. And surprisingly, this just gained so many follows and people just don't unfollow you for some reason. Alright, so now that I've actually broken down the script and why it goes viral, I'm going to actually show you guys how to edit these videos. So first off, like I said earlier, you do need your Minecraft gameplay from YouTube, and the best way to find this gameplay without getting striked or violated for unoriginal is when you're on YouTube looking for Minecraft gameplay, you want to try and find a video that's under 10,000 views, and you want to make sure that it's non-copyrightable. Also, when you're editing it inside CapCut, another thing that could help you avoid violations is just by using some effects on top of it. This just avoids the software striking your content more. Now, the first thing I'm going to do when I'm inside CapCut is set up the questions. So I'm just going to have a section that says easy, medium, and extreme. And you particularly want these to be different colors to show the viewer that one's harder than the other. And it overall just gives a good engaging look to your screen. And then you just want to add the numbers for the questions. And boom, once you're done with that, you're just going to take your 11 Labs voiceover and put it under the Minecraft gameplay. Now what we're going to do is we need a timer effect. So what I'm going to do is go to YouTube and just look up timer effect. And what you want to do is just find any of them with a black background. Now once you have that, just download it and bring it into CapCut. Now the way we're going to get this thing to be transparent is we're just going to go down here to the blend tool. And depending on your background color of the timer, you're just going to want to pick whichever one that actually makes it transparent. And boom, now we have a completely functionable timer for our gameplay. Now the second thing we're going to need for the timer is a countdown audio. So all I'm going to do is go over to the sound effects tab in CapCut and search up countdown timer. And you can really just pick any of these, just pick one that you like. And now the last sound effect that you're going to need is a bell or a ding of some sort. This is just a sound that pops up after an answer pops up. Now all you want to do to edit this content is just listen to the audio play and cut them as the questions go. And then you can just copy and paste your timer and countdown audio.
Name a country that starts with the letter S.
Alright, now we're almost done with our video. There's only a few things left to do. Now what I'm going to do is get the answers for our questions. So if it's for the easy category, you're going to use green. If it's for the medium category, you're going to use yellow, etc. You want to make sure that you're not putting these in the same row as each other because then they won't be able to overlay. Alright, so now that we have our voiceover done, our questions and answers done, there's only a few things left to do. You're probably wondering, how are we going to get the character to pop up on the screen like how it was in the original video? Now, all you're going to want to do is go to Google and search up any picture of your character, and then you can find any 1 or 2 pictures that you like. Download those pictures and put them into a remove background generator. That way you can get 2 transparent pictures with no background that you can implement in your video. And all you're going to want to do with these is overlay them on top of the audio where people are talking, and then just make it pop up on the screen with any animation that you want. And to make this process go by quicker, you can just copy and paste the same 2 over and over again. And boom, now when that's done, the very last thing you need to do is just add the auto captions, and this is what your video should look like.
Name a country that starts with the letter S. If you said Sweden, then you're already out on question 1. Don't say the same as me or you lose. Okay, question number 2. What's the first thing you think of when I say New York? My answer is Times Square. If you said anything other than Times Square, then get ready for the next question. Question number 3. Press and hold the comment button and select one of the 4 emojis. If the emoji you pressed was this, then too bad. My friend, you are out. Question number 4. What room are you in right now? You're in your kitchen, then better luck next time, right? Question number 5. What is the second app that appears when you click share and then more? If the answer is messages, then I'm sorry you've lost. Let's make this one impossible. Question number 6. What does my profile picture do when you follow me? If you said it animates, then you're out.
Now, I didn't actually get paid for any of the views that I got on that account because I didn't run it up for Creator Rewards program, which I could have, but I didn't. What I did on that account instead was TikTok Shop, which you only need 5,000 followers for, and this is how much money I made off of it. I'm running a few other accounts in TikTok Shop too, but this is just how much I made from the account that I made the SpongeBob videos on. It really shouldn't take you that long to blow up on TikTok nowadays because people will simply watch niches like this that are highly engaging. And when you hit all 3 steps to a video, which is watch time, retention, and engagement, there's really nothing that can prevent your video from blowing up. Now, speaking of going viral, I was just looking at our student wins inside of Creator Labs, and one of my students just hit 10,000 followers on her account, and she's got damn near 6 million views in the last month. Another one of our guys, Brandon, is doing like $100 to $200 days on TikTok Shop. Another kid, Andrew, is making $200 a day on TikTok Shop. But this Discord has a free and a premium section inside of here. I just be helping everybody inside of here, so if you want the links to this, I'll put it in the description. Sometimes I run free calls in here and I just text everybody back and give them daily advice on their accounts. And obviously, if you're in my premium, you get a lot more than that. But yeah, that's basically it for the video. Like I said earlier, if you guys have any questions, you could just join the free Discord in my bio and personally text me in there. I also have a ton more free courses inside that Discord. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure you guys like and subscribe because I'm going to be posting so much more on this account. And yeah, I'll see you inside the Discord.